Neither the violent protests which intensified over the weekend nor the US-China tension hold the investors from buying stocks on Monday. They focus on manufacturing and construction data that suggest economy begin to recover. Tech stock lead the advance, pushing Nasdaq 2/3%. Dow and S&P also advances 1/3%. According to news from Reuters, China has ordered state-owned firms to halt purchases of US farm goods, including soybeans and pork, after Washington, D.C. punitive action that begins the process of eliminating special treatment for Hong Kong. Moody's downgrades India's rating to Baa3 from Baa2, outlook negative. Credit rating agency Moody's sees India's GDP contracting by 4% in financial year 21, and thereafter it sees a GDP growth at 8.7% in financial year 22 and closer to 6% thereafter. And also Moody's see that India's long-term growth materially lower than in past, and India's economic package that won't restore growth durably to 8%. Block deal likely in Kotak Mahindra Bank on Tuesday. Kotak Mahindra, the chief executive officer and founder of the bank, is all set to sell 5.6 crore shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank at a price of 1215 to 1240 range. That will represent 2.83% of the equity, and it will be on a discount of 0.7% to 2.7% of the previous day closing, which comes around 1248 rupees. And in this all block deal, 5.6 crore shares is likely to change hand. This is FII derivative table of last 5 days, and we will try to look into these tables. First, let us understand what is the yellow rows and what are the white rows. The yellow rows represents FII's net positions carried overnight, and the white rows represents the activity during the day. Now let us see what they have done in last 3 trading sessions. We can see in the future contract the net position is diminishing day by day, and the market is moving up. Means what? The conviction at the higher level is lesser. So last day we can see here 4,612 contracts were on the short side, and in the long side only 2,214 contracts were added. So it shows that there is skepticism at the higher level. Now let us understand what they did in the call segment. So they have created short call positions. 24,565 contracts were created on short side, and 19,255 contracts only were added in the long side. So net positions, if you look at it is also diminishing from the previous day. So net we can see here the conviction by the FIIs on a higher level is lesser than the conviction at the lower level. So one should take a note that FIIs are a bit skeptical at higher level. This is USD INR daily charts, and we can see here that the activity on daily charts is looking like a descending triangle formation, which has a repercussion on the downside. So we can see the downside support is coming around 75.35. So any move below 75.35 will mark the beginning of a new downtrend, because in 3 of the occasions the market has taken support near to that, and according to the formation also the support is coming near to that level. So in any case, if it marks a breakout, so we should try to look into the trend line where it is coming. So around 75.9 to 75.95 will be the price point from where it will mark the beginning of an uptrend, and that will mark the deviation from the formation. So we should take into account these 2 levels for the coming trading session, because we are nearing to the apex of the triangle. That means the breakout is very much on the card in near future. This is daily chart of Nifty spot, and we can see the fall from the high of 12,246 till the 7,500, and this is a Fibonacci scale, and in this scale we can see here that the 50% retracement which comes around 9,880 kind of level. So market has already recouped the losses of the previous down move. 50% kind of losses has already been recouped in the current up move. Now we'll try to look into what kind of formation that this market is making. So this is making a triangular. First it is making a triangular kind of move. Triangle, it is an ascending triangle in which it is making a higher bottom kind of formation, and top is around now flat coming. So in other way, if we look at, it is making an upward channel as well. We can see here, and it means what? It is a secondary up move. The primary trend is still down. In the secondary corrective up move, market is moving up, and we can see if it sustained beyond the high point, the closing point of the day that comes around 9,860, then we can see an up move in the coming days, from where we can take any cue if market moves up from the current level. Now if it moves sustain above 9880 kind of level, then we can see a up move till the 61.8% retracement of the previous fall, which comes around 10,440 kind of level. So we should keep into mind 9880 kind of level. Market should sustain, moves or close above these levels, then we can see at least 500 points up move from the current market price. And if it fails, give up the gains, or any kind of weakness in the market comes in, that will mark the beginning of the downtrend, because we are still in a corrective up move, and which is most likely to fizzle out anywhere between 9,880 to till 10,440 kind of level. This is Bank Nifty daily chart, and we can see here the fall from 31,350 kind of level till 16,000, almost 50% of the whole value of the previous high, we can say. And the fall has seen a lesser resilience, because if we compare with the Nifty has already recouped 50% kind of losses, but this Bank Nifty is languishing below the 38.2% of the previous fall, which is showing less resilience compared with the Nifty. Now the important level to watch out will be the 22,000 kind of level, which is again making a triangular kind of formation, and in a bullish scenario it may move up till 22,000 kind of level, but still it is to watch that whether this Bank Nifty will negotiate and sustains above the 20,000 kind of level, which is intermediate resistance going forward. So 20,000, if it sustains above 20,000, we may see 2,000 kind of jump in Bank Nifty, as we have already seen in Nifty, that Nifty if sustained above 9880, that will move around 500 points. Then in that scenario, that Bank Nifty also catch up the up move, and if both the indexes fails to sustain above the said level, then we may see the corrective move downwards in coming days. If you find any meaningful information in this video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get future notifications.